Hi guys, welcome to Kingdom LED channel. This is Grayson. In this video, we will walk you through a simple instruction on how Higlow series products work. First of all, let's meet Higlow family. The Higlow kit we use today is the 7-inch LED headlight and LED wheel light kit.
Higlow controller supports 4 zones controlled independently. Zone 1 is for left turn, Zone 2 is for right turn, Zone 3 is for left turn and brake, Zone 4 is for right turn and brake.
This is the brake wire of the controller, and these two are the 10 signal wires of the controller.
Once these 3 wires are connected to the OEM wires of your vehicle, every time when you hit the brake or turn signal, the lights will come on in amber or red accordingly.
This is the switch of the controller. These 2 wires are the battery wires. You will need to connect them to the battery of your car. Now let me show you how to connect our Higlow controller with Higlow kit.
First of all, let's connect your left and right headlights to Zone 1 and Zone 2. Next, connect your wheel lights to Zone 3 and Zone 4. Then connect the switch to the controller. What we need to do next is connect the controller to the power supply and turn on the power supply. And then turn on the switch of the controller and we are good to go. Open our Higlow app. Go to the sidebar menu, click Higlow Bluetooth device. It shows that all 4 zones are connected. Then we can toggle each zone to change its color.
As we can see here, all 4 zones are connected to the controller. Now, if I want to change my headlights to other colors, for example, if I want to change my left headlight to green, I can just easily toggle here, Zone 1 to the green area, and Zone 2 to be red, so we can just easily toggle here. This is how it works. If we want to using this function, which is it will turn the light into the color by using the camera. Like this is white and brown, or even this color, red, or other color, yellow maybe. This is how it works. And this is the film menu. There are 4 preset films in the menu here. Each film represents a light pattern. If we don't like all these patterns, we can customize our own. Just click here and it will generate a new light pattern automatically. And click here, we can custom the light pattern. We can choose to add new color or delete the one we don't like. And we can adjust the frequency and brightness here as well. Click save, and then we can use the light pattern we have just customized. And this is the music sync function. The lights will sync with the music rhythm or the voice picked up by the microphone. Okay, let's play a song.
Wonderful in your dress. I love your hair like that. The way it falls on the side of your neck, down your shoulders and back.
This little icon here, we can use the microphone to pick up the sound and the music, and the lights will sync up to the voice. This is the speed menu. It works pretty much the same as the music sync function. The light's color or brightness changes based on the speed of the vehicle. The last one is the chasing menu. You might have heard of RGB, but chasing is at another level. As we can see here, there are also 4 set films here. So if we don't like the preset fields, we can click here to custom a new one. So there are multi-chasing modes we can choose to use. Also we can customize new color, adjust the frequency, click save, and we can use the chasing mode we have just customized. Alright, this is the end of the video. If you are looking for new products or if you have any questions, please welcome to visit our official website www.kingdom.com. We'll see you next time.